Hello guys, welcome back to another origami demo video. Today I'll be demoing two origami models that I made. Actually 3 origami models that I just made. So the first one is this cake spinner that I will be hopefully getting out to you on Friday. And then like water bomb. Yeah, the bottom. Yeah, that's cool. It's better. Second thing I'll be getting out to you on Monday is this. Hopefully getting it out on Monday, Lord willing, everything will work out, and I will do it. Those days, if not, I'll do a different day, but it will still get out to you. This one is a bullet and shell on one 3D. This is 3D. We can make 2D, also work a flicker. And then one other thing is also a spinner. And then the third thing I made is this origami mouth. So you can do it with both hands or one hand. And then when you flatten it, and then do this, and then this, it can spin also like a spinner. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That can probably be a flicker. I don't really know. So that is what I'm teaching you on those days, or maybe a different day if it doesn't work out. So bye, like, and subscribe and comment for more, and comment, and happy folding, and you can learn how to fold those when they come out. You'll be the first person. So bye.